Her signature procedure.
So my signature procedure is the Natural Lift by Dr. Sharon. This is a minimally invasive alternative to a facelift for all the women who don't want a facelift or want to put off the time of having one. What's innovative about it is that it treats the excess fat in the neck and in the jowl area. And I believe that 80% of women age with this pattern where they actually grow a little bit of excess neck and jowl fat. The procedure involves no scalpel, but just a tiny little needle, and through that I insert an internal ultrasound probe that has a hot tip. This melts those fat areas very precisely, and it heats up the skin that gives skin tightening. I then remove that fat very carefully. It's about a teaspoon from each jowl and about 2 tablespoons from the neck. And that adds up to about 40 or 50 cc's. So it's a significant amount of fat that's removed, which leaves you with a very significant result. I can also just take some of that excess fat and redistribute it on your face. Typical areas are in the lips, the laugh lines, and into the cheek area. This is a very quick procedure done in the office, usually takes about 1 hour under local anesthesia, and my patients go back to work in 4 days. Their friends and colleagues don't know they had anything done because the swelling comes down gradually, and if you want to keep it a secret, you can. This is just the best rejuvenation that you can get in 1 hour.
You can keep it a secret.
So let me explain exactly what my signature procedure, the Natural Lift, actually is. And this is going to be very small, precise fat removal in the area of the jowl and in the neck area. It's only about a teaspoon on each jowl and about 2 tablespoons underneath the neck. But if you really think about what that is, a teaspoon is 5 cc's, so it's 5 and 5 for each jowl, which is 10, and then almost 30 from the neck. So we're talking about taking out 50 cc's. That's really like 50 syringes of a filler that you might put into your face. And I can say that that would not be rejuvenating. So what in fact 80% of women need is they need some volume reduction on their lower face. So how I do that is very simple, and it's aided by the use of an internal ultrasound machine, which is very powerful and creates incredible skin and muscle tightening. So the internal ultrasound device really looks like the bottom end of a Q-tip. It's very, very narrow. In fact, I don't use a scalpel for this procedure at all. It's just a little needle to pop through the skin. And it goes to the corner of the mouth, and then this tip is hot, so it melts the fat under the skin, pretending this is the skin, and then I run that hot probe right underneath the surface of the skin. That stimulates collagen in the muscle and in the skin, and you get massive skin and muscle tightening. Then I just go back in and precisely take out a little bit of fat that we can use for redistributing in other parts of the face.